Hi, it's Angie. I'm here to share my first choices from the Pandora 2023 Summer collection. The first charm I really wanted was the Moka Pot Dangle charm. I missed out on the original one, and I was very excited to see that they came up with a new version. This one does include some CZ around the thread of the Moka Pot. It's a really well done charm and very pretty, a little heart on the bail. The lid of the pot is very sweet and it opens up, revealing the spout inside the Moka Pot, and it's got the nice little enamel knob on the top. And another sweet addition is the cutout heart on the bottom with Pandora written around it. Just delighted with this. I think it's very, very sweet and a great addition to my collection. The next charm I added to my order was the Glow in the Dark Lighthouse. Once again, I have been searching for the original Lighthouse and was not able to get it, so I was glad to see this reimagined version. As you can see, the bail is pretty plain. There is pretty red enamel and cutout windows, and of course this one glows in the dark, so there is that glow in the dark material up in the glass of the lighthouse. On the other side, you can see there are more cutouts for the door and the window, and they have some nice details on this. And once again, we have a little hidden heart in the base of the dangle, and I think this one is really sweet, and I'm very happy to have it. Next, I had to get the Monsters, Inc. logo. As a fan of the movie, I just thought I had to have this in my collection of Pixar charms. It's got this really vibrant blue enamel and a black pupil in the eye on the top, and it is engraved with "We scare because we care." So I think that's really cute. It's a really solid charm and will be a great addition to my Monsters Inc. bracelet. I also had to get the Mike and Sully door. There was no discount for getting all three charms from the new release, but I went for it anyway because I think this will be a great centerpiece. I do have the original Sully, so I think this will work perfectly. It's got a nice CZ in the top and little flowers on the door. And there you can see Mike and Sully. The bail says Pandora with the hallmarks, and on the back says Disney and Pixar. When you look on the back, the door opens and there is little Boo standing in the door with her bag. Oh my gosh, there's so much detail in this, and it's really cute that it's two-sided. And there it is from the front with the door open. Really love this one. I think they did a great job. It's so sweet. And then finally I have Mike Wazowski, and he's got that great one eye with a CZ in the middle. These are man-made CZs, and his wonderful expression. Oh my gosh, he's so sweet. There's the back of him, and the hallmarks on the back. So there are my three Monsters Inc. charms. I love them all. And the Moka Pot and the Glow in the Dark Lighthouse. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.